Alone. It means having no one else present or being by oneself. Example: sometimes I enjoy being alone with my thoughts. Isolated. It means far away from other places, buildings, or people. Example: I am feeling isolated in the new school. Lonely means feeling sad because one has no friends or company. Example: after moving to a new city, she felt lonely until she made new friends. Solo means doing something alone, without assistance. Example: he performed a solo piece at the concert, showcasing his talent. Wounded means injured or hurt, especially with a physical injury. Example: the soldier was wounded in the battle but remained strong. Dozy means feeling drowsy or half asleep. Example: I felt dozy after lunch, struggling to stay awake in the meeting. Solitary means done or existing alone. Example: he enjoys solitary hikes in the mountains, away from the noise of the city. Ailing means in poor health. Example: she took care of her ailing mother until she recovered. Drowsy means sleepy and lethargic. Example: the warm weather made everyone feel drowsy and lazy. Queasy means feeling nauseous or sick to your stomach. Example: the rough sea made him feel queasy during the boat ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.